You don't have free time on working days, guys. Use weekends to trade. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Guys, today we are going to trade on OTC charts because today is the day off. OTC charts are over-the-counter quotes and they are not amenable to fundamental analysis. But the technical analysis is quite applicable to them. So this is the strategy which I'm going to use today, which means we will trade on uptrends, downtrends, support and resistance levels and other patterns on the market. Perhaps you will like the way I trade and you can implement it on your own, because maybe some of you don't have enough time on working days and you can try to trade even on weekends. So guys, let's get started. So guys, let me explain the situation for you. Okay, here we can see that we have a certain level of resistance. We also see that there was a steady upward movement here. The price approached this level, then broke through it, and after that it moved upwards for some time. And now, after breaking through the level, a certain continuation occurs, the price stops. Therefore, in this situation, I suggest opening a deal for 2 minutes to go down. It is more likely that after a confident upward movement as well as a breakout of the level, in the near future, the price may fall into the consolidation zone and a pullback in the opposite direction will occur. It is on this downward corrective movement that we will try to make money here, and in most cases such situations work out about the same way. I hope that we will have enough time to make money on this correction movement, and so my dear traders, let's wait for the result. So guys, it's not bad at all. As you can see, the price has really rolled back down and we got the profit, guys. I think it's an amazing start. Let's continue. So we have a resistance level at the top here. At the same time, we can see that at the moment there is an upward movement. The price is approaching our level. I suggest open a deal here for 2 minutes up the uptrend. We see that the price has been moving up quite confidently lately. Confident impulsive green candles are being formed. At the same time, there's still room to reach the resistance level, and this means that the price is more likely to continue moving towards the level. We'll try to make money on this upward movement, and so my dear traders, let's wait for the result. Well guys, it's not bad at all, and the price continued to move up. Also, after breaking through the level, there was a pullback down, but we still managed to work with you on this movement. 2 minutes was just enough for us, and so my dear traders, let's continue. So guys, we have a level of support down here. We also see that there was an upward pullback from this level. And now, after the pullback, the price turned around and is currently approaching our level. Also, at the same time, the main price highs became lower. We also see that there is still room for the support level. We'll open a 2-minute deal to go down with you here, and it is more likely that the price will continue to move down in the near future, since the price here also has a good potential to go down. At the same time, I also took time of 2 minutes to spare, take into account possible consolidation, because at the moment we see that the price is moving in the consolidation zone. Perhaps in the near future it will continue to move in this range, and only then there will be an exit from this zone and the price will continue to move towards the level. Guys, let's wait for the result.
40% of you guys watch my videos without subscribing. Let's fix that.
So my dear traders, as you can see, the price really left the consolidation zone and continued to move towards the level. 2 minutes was enough for us. We managed to work with you on this downward movement. Well, let's continue, guys. So we have a level of support down here. We also see that at the moment the price is moving towards our level. At the same time, we also see that the main price highs are getting lower. Thus, the figure of technical analysis is a descending triangle. In this case, I suggest opening a deal for 2 minutes to go down. It is more likely that the price will continue to move towards the support level, since we see that the main price lows are formed along the horizontal support level. But at the same time, the main price highs are decreasing. That is each subsequent price maximum becomes lower than the previous one. This is how the descending triangle technical analysis figures are formed. So as you can see, this figure mainly moves downwards. It is on this downward movement that we'll try to make money. And so, my dear traders, let's wait for the result. If you don't have a registered account with a broker yet, then the link to the broker is in the pinned comment under this video. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket Option, and I advise you to do the same. It's best to register on one of these websites because there are some of the brokers that actually have a license. With them, it's not scary to keep large amounts on your balance with the fear that they will be stolen somewhere, or simply not withdrawn at one moment, saying that you traded unfairly. Believe me, this also happens, unfortunately. Well guys, that's great. As you can see, the price really continued to move down and we got the profit here. This figure has worked itself out perfectly. There was also an exit from this figure. That is, there was a breakdown of the support level. In most cases, these situations work out perfectly and we noticed such figure in time and worked well on it. Guys, let's continue. So guys, here we can see that there was a downtrend here. After the first touch of the support level, there was an upward pullback. After pullback, the price turned around and it came back to our level. At the moment, there is a certain compression of the support level. In this case, I suggest opening a deal for 2 minutes to go down. It is quite possible that this level will be broken in the near future. It is on this downward movement that we'll try to make money. We'll also take into account the fact that the price has a significant potential to go down. Also, the main price highs are getting lower. This means that the price is more likely to continue to move down and that this support level will be broken. Guys, we'll try to make money on this movement, so let's wait for the result. Excellent, the price continued to move down and we got the profit here. We managed to work with you on this movement. 2 minutes was just enough for us. So guys, let's continue our trading session. So guys, we have a level of support down here. At the same time, we also see that at the moment there is a downtrend. The price approaching our level. Also, there is still room for the level of support. I suggest opening a deal here for 2 minutes to go down on a downtrend. We also see that the price has been steadily moving down lately. This means that the price is more likely to continue moving down, towards the level. It is on this downward movement that we'll try to make money here. At the same time, I also took time of 2 minutes with the margin, take into account that the price may fall into the consolidation zone or there will be an upward pullback. Because as you understand, with the downward movements, there is an upward pullback and guys, let's wait for the result. Great guys, the price continued to move towards the support level. This level has also been broken through. I have correctly managed to predict the further price movement. I have just earned a break on a breakout of the support level. The price has a really great potential to go down, and so my dear traders, let's continue. So guys, we have a resistance level at the top here. We also see that after the first touch of the level, there was a rollback down. After the rollback, the price turned around and is approaching our level. We also see that the main price lows are getting higher. That is, the price has a good potential to go up. This is where we are going to open a deal for 2 minutes up in an uptrend. It is more likely that the price will continue to move towards the level in the near future. And it is also quite possible that it will be breached. We will try to make money on this upward movement. And I hope that in this case, 2 minutes will be totally enough for us, guys. Take into account possible consolidation or pullback down. So guys, let's wait for the result. Well guys, it's not bad at all. The price continued to move up and we got the profit here. I have really managed to earn on this upward movement. As you can see, 2 minutes was just enough here for us. The situations really worked great, and meanwhile I have almost $3,500 on my deposit. I propose to open one more deal for today, and let's continue, guys. So guys, we have a level support down here, and in this situation I suggest that we immediately open a deal for 1 minute to go down, because we see that at the moment the price has gone beyond the level. That is, as you understand, at the moment there is a breakdown of the support level. This means that the price is more likely to continue moving down in the near future. It is on this downward movement, that breakout of the level, that we will try to make money. Just at the moment we see that the confident impulsive red candles continue to form. As a rule, in such case, 1 minute is quite enough, guys. So that is, I got into the very impulsive moment of the price down. At the very moment of the breaking of the level, guys. Let's wait for the result. So, my dear traders, as you can see, the level has indeed been broken through. I have managed to earn on this movement. 1 minute was enough for us. I have just earned on a breakout of the support level. This situation is also being worked out perfectly. So, my dear traders, meanwhile, I already have more than $6,000 on my deposit, and I think this is the end of our trading session. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was useful for you. Guys, let me know if you have any questions about my strategy. You can leave the comment down below. Also, my dear traders, I hope you already subscribed to this channel and put a big thumbs up. And I want to remind you that I have an exclusive community where I share my trading signals. Text me on Telegram a code word signal, and only this way I will be able to add you to my exclusive community. I wish to have successful trading sessions. Bye bye.